Hi, my name is Michael Brown. I'm going to take you on a personal home video tour of 1315 Maple Shade Lane in Charlotte, North Carolina. Alright, as we enter the door, we enter at the main level. Kitchen, family room. Over to the right, we have a half bath. Okay, and there's actually a one-car garage here. Got a little workbench out here. Show you real quick. Now if you walk straight, you have the kitchen. Comes with the refrigerator, stove, dishwasher. Nice little cabins. The bar area. Wood burning fireplace. There's actually two fireplaces in this townhouse. There's one here and there's one downstairs in the master bath. We'll take a walk out here real quick. This is the deck. Basically overlooks the complex here. Down below you actually have a patio as well that leads off the master bedroom. I'll take you down there in a second. Let's go back inside. As you're walking in, you walk in right from to the living room, overlooking the kitchen. Nice little bar stool. Let's go downstairs. This is leading down to a master suite, the laundry room. The laundry room is in here. There's no laundry yet. No wash and dryer, I should say. This is the bath, master bath. This here is the master suite. Family room. Fireplace. This is the patio out back. I can unlock this door real quick. It's dead bolted. Bear with me. Alright, there we go. A little screened in door. It's got a chair swing on those summer beautiful days. Go back this way. There's just like a closet here. It goes up underneath the stairwell. Okay. This is another closet here, linen closet. Let's go back upstairs. Upstairs leads to two other bedrooms and a full bath. This is another linen closet here. Bedroom here. All rooms have ceiling fans. It says walk-in closet. It's the bathroom. Full bath. Two full bath, three bedroom. It's got another good sized closet here. Clubhouse, not the clubhouse, but the pool is right there. So easy access to the pool. Nice little bookshelf here. And that is it. That is the home. If you're interested in setting up a showing, please email michaelbrown@kw.com. Okay? Once again, michaelbrown@kw.com. Hope you had fun.